Hospital a little bit and see what's going on here. This is the driveway they have over here. It's going up to these gates up there. I ain't sure what they are, but as you can see, beautiful out early. Beautiful out early. There's a smashed window up there. I don't know why they would do such a thing. Why would someone do such a thing? Why would you do that? The window's open in the place. If I go up a little higher, you see the window's open. So we're going to walk around now. I'll let you see it. As I'm walking around it. See, there's someone broke in here. They followed across the thing. It was broken. Let's get a peek inside. Maybe I'm gonna be up out of a broken window right here. Got inside. Going up around this. Looks like up there they're putting some roof on or something. Look at, you see some weight up off the edge right there. Put rubber roof on. So I'm still trying to save it. Well, it's all brick. It's nice and solid. Broken windows all over the place. As you can see up there, there's a broken window. Yeah. There's a ton of them open on this building right here. I don't know if that's happened from environment breaking them down or what. The school was, but you can just walk right by the building right now. 1932 is erected. It used to be an old hospital. Look, this section you see was burned out. Look at the windows popped out. And as you can see, there's a black smoke over there, up that one window right there. They're working on it. Big pine tree. A big pine tree, wasn't he? I'm going on the road right now. As you can see, building straight ahead of me, or both belong to the hospital over here. They're actually like their power rooms where they had their furnaces and things of that nature. Matter of fact, one looks like it's broken and one looks like it's broken and let's go take a peek and see what's in there. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get on the back side of this hospital because we got fence up now. I was hoping to get back to it. It doesn't look like it's going to happen. should work our way down to this little building right down here. And we'll see what's going on here. Whole mess of flowers. It's like a greenhouse. They had a greenhouse going there, looks like. Maybe I'll give you some in the back. I'll follow a fence up around here and shoot over the fence and try to give some. Hey, it's right up against the building. I guess I'm not gonna. But here we go. Let me bring it down this way. This is what's happening on the backside. I can't get in there. The fence is right up against the building right here. It sits right tight to the building, right tight to the building over there. So, and it's right tight to the building there.